Hello, every one of you. This is your very own Mr. Cloud Oleka, and I welcome you to today's course. This is specifically for beginners, and I know most of you have come across this. So, most people would ask me, why is Mr. Cloud always giving us tutorials with the BTC USDT pair? Why is because in the world now of trading now, in futures trading, BTC pair has the highest volatility. So the volatility in the crypto market now is crazy. So why do I use pairs from Forex when I can get something more better from BTC? So now I know these are things that you see and you get confused. So when most of you say this line, this red and this green, you get confused that, oh, what does this mean? Why is this on the chart? Why is this necessary? Why? I do not understand this. This is an explanatory course for this, so it's for beginners guide. So now I will start this by explaining this bit by bit. The first you should understand is that all these are called candlesticks. So let's say they are called what? Candlesticks. So just follow me as if you are a beginner too. They are called candlesticks, and they have been in existence long before time. Let's say for over 300 years, the sticks has been in existence. The candlesticks represent just a pictorial representation of the flow of the markets. So we could just say it represents the flow of the market, the flow of the markets. So the candlestick represent the flow of the market. So candlesticks now are telling you that, okay, my friend, the market is going up and down, up and down, up and down. Because looking at this now, you will see that this candle now, this candle now, this candle now was high at this level, came down to this level, went this high, went this high, came this low, came this low, went this high. So now looking at this now, you would see that the market is just going down, up, down, up, down, then up. You understand? So what is giving you the indication that this market is going down, up, down? It's because of the candlesticks, because the candlesticks are showing you higher highs, higher low, lower highs, and lower lows. So now I want you all to understand what I'm trying to do, because I want you to get this with me. So when you look at this now, you will see that these things now have two colors. The first color you can see here is the red color. So this is the red color. I know this, I don't know if any of you have color blindness, but if you don't, you should see this as a red. So this is a red color. So now looking at this now, we could say that this now is a green what color. So now it's very simple to explain this. So you see this candlestick now is a red and this is a green, because these are the two I want to use to explain these things for you now. So now whenever you see a red candlestick like this, because I told you everything here is called candlesticks, and in these candlesticks they are divided into two colors, which is the red and the green color. So now you've known that everything that you see like this now is one what? A candlestick. So since it is a candlestick, now there are two different colors you're seeing. One is green and the other is red. So now you ask yourself, oh, one is green and one is red. What does this mean? So now I will use a lay term to explain this to you. Let's say we are in a traffic and we see the traffic lights. So now we have the red. The red means what? Stop. Then we have what? The green. The green means what? Go. So now in a traffic now, you see the red stop and you see the green. So what is that telling you? It's telling you that, oh, whenever you see the red light, you have to stop. Whenever you see the green light, you have to go ahead with the market. You have to go ahead with your movement and go to your destination. But once you see the red, you still have to stop. So in this chart now, we would say when you see a traffic light now showing you red and you refuse to stop, what have you done? You have defaulted. So which means in most developed countries, there are penalties for defaulting. So when you default, you pay a price for it. So which means The red now means hey, 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 stop, 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 danger, danger, danger. The green means go, go, go. Whenever you see the green light, regardless of how you speed or how you go, if the road has no speeding limits, so you would see that the green is always telling you to go, the red is always telling you to stop. So that is what it means in lay time. But now in charts, now in trading, now what does this red and this green means? It's very simple. The green candle now means that the price now is going up. The red candle means what? The price is coming down. So, okay, Mr. Klaus says whenever you see a red candle form, it means the price has dropped. Whenever you see a green candle form, it means the price has gone up. Wow, this is interesting. So if you've not liked the video, make sure you do that now. If you have not subscribed, make sure you do that now. If you have not share, because the more you do this, the more you help me grow. Thank you. So now Mr. Cloud is saying that the green candles means positivity. Go on. The red candle means danger. So now in chart now, the green candle means the market is going up. The red candle means the market is coming down. So whenever you see large red candles or many red candles, what is it telling you? It's telling you that the market is crashing down or going down. Prices are dropping. So whenever you see red candle, what does it mean? Prices are dropping. Whenever you see green candle, it means that prices are increasing. So now I've explained to you all, everything you see like this is called a candlestick. What does it tells you? The flow of the markets. So now you know the flow of the markets, you know the candlesticks. But now there are two different colors and you don't understand what they mean, the red and the green colors. So now the red candle is telling you the price are dropping. The green candle is telling you the price are increasing. So why is this possible? Now I will just have to manually draw a candle for you. So let's say this now is a green candle. Please pardon my lines. I am not I'm using my trackpad to draw. So you see this. So let's say that now this is sorry, this is always I'm not using my pen. So let's say this is what, a green candle. So we will now have to draw again a red candle. So I just have to change this to red, so we both can know exactly what we are teaching ourselves. Sorry, this line here is curved, but this is not, it's always like this straight. So I'm just trying to just draw this line so my hand is not that straight. So now look, so now looking at this now, you see here we have the green candle, here we have the red candle. So now this is a red candle, this is a green candle, red candle, red candle, green candle, red, green. See, no matter how a green candle open and closes, the price is going to go up whenever it closes. The red candle, whenever it closes, the price is going to come down if it closes in a red candle. So now you've seen that this now is a candlestick now right in front of you. So now this represents the red candle. So let me just call it out so you can see it, so I will not always have to. So this is the green candle, so I will just make it small so it can fit in. So we have, this is the green, so we now have, this is the red. So I will make this bolder. So this is the green candle, this is the green candle, and this is the red candle. Please pardon my lines are not straight, please, but these are representing this. So now this is a red candle, this is a green candle. So now I'm always telling you that whenever a green candle closes, the price will increase, which means the price are always increasing whenever you see green candles. Red candles means the price are always dropping. So now how do I explain these to you? So now this is how I'm going to explain this to you, and I just hope you pay attention to what I have to say. So now I have to move this candle here so I can get space to show you what I want to show you. So let me do this cancel and show you. I'll be right back. Like this now, you see the green candle and the red candle. I just tried to adjust to make them straight and make them look okay. So like this now, you see it's okay, right? So now I say the green candle means the price are going up, the red candle means the price are coming down. So how do I make you understand this? So now in every candle now, I have to label these candle now. So when I label it, I have to call them out. So we'll understand what this it means. This I will call this out. So this is close. I will reduce the size to maybe 11. So this is a close. So this is a open, OPEN. So I'll also do this now. This is an open and WICK. So now looking at this chart now, you will see that I have labeled this candle. So now you see that the green candle has the close above and the open below. The red candle have the open above and the close below. Let's be logical about this. Let's say the price of a candle opened at this level and now closed at this level. So what does it mean? This has given us an arrow, which means the price open at this level, which is a 3/8. Look at this place, which is a 3/8 something, 38980, and close at 39112. What does it mean? It means the price has gone up. And a candle that opens from below and close above is a green candle, because the green candle opened from below and close above. But the red candle opened from above and closed below. So now let's say the price of the market was at this level, then the price came down to this level, and the price now closed at this level. So what does it mean? It means that the price was at 39114 and closed at 38959. So if you invested at this level and the price come down to this level, what happened? It means your investments dropped. It means your investment dropped. But if you invested at this level and the price went high, it means that your investments went high. So the green candle make this possible because the green candle will always open from below and close above. But the red candle will open from above and close below. So you see, so whenever you see this red candle now, looking at this candle now, the price opened at this level and closed at this level. Now, if you compare uh, the opening price, which was at 39689, with the closing price, which was at 39573, what happened? The price dropped, which means the price came down because the price was up here and came down. So now looking at this now, remember the green opened from under and closed above. So let's say this green now opened at this price 3946476 and close at 39552. 39476 and 39552. What happened? The price increased. So whenever you see a green candle in a chart, it's telling you the price has increased. Whenever you see a red candle in a chart, it's telling you the price has done what? Decreased. So make sure you continue with the part 2 of this course, because that's where I explain deeper into this course.